Okay, parts B and C aren't too bad. We can use the compound angle formula for tan. So recall that we have tan of A plus B. We know that's equal to tan of A plus tan of B all over 1 minus tan of A times tan of B. Great. Now, we know that A plus B is equal to pi on 4, so we can say, therefore, tan of pi on 4 is equal to, now we know tan of pi on 4 is equal to 1, that's one of the formula, that's one of the identities we remember. If we just write this down one more time, we can rearrange. So now we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 1 minus tan of A tan of B. This implies that 1 minus tan of A tan of B is equal to tan of A plus tan of B. Now, if we bring the tan A tan B onto the right hand side, we can say that 1 is equal to tan of A plus tan of B plus tan of A times tan of B. Now we're going to use a little bit of a trick here. We're going to add 1 on both sides, because that way we make something we can factorize on the right hand side. So I'm going to add 1 on both sides. This becomes 2, and then we're going to have tan of A plus tan of B plus tan of A tan of B plus 1. And this thing on the right hand side we can actually factorize. We can factorize this to 1 plus tan of A times 1 plus tan of B. And that's it. So that's part B. And for part C, all we use is the thing we proved in part B. So we've got 1 plus tan of 1 degree all the way up to 1 plus tan of 45. What we can do is actually pair each one. So what I mean by that, here we can actually write this as 1 plus tan of 1 degree multiplied by 1 plus tan of 44 degrees. So we've just taken 1 from the start and 1 from the end, ignoring the last term, which is 1 plus tan of 45. So 1 from the start, 1 from the end, and you can see that these also form the pattern we did in part B, where A plus B is equal to pi on 4, 45 degrees. And so we can carry this on. So we've got 1 plus tan of 2 degrees multiplied by 1 plus tan of 43 degrees. And we keep doing this until we get to the middle, right? So times dot 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 times, and the middle term, well, we had 44, so the middle term will be 22 and 23. Right? And that basically covers all of the terms from 1 to 44. And we also have the last term, which we didn't do at the start. So we've also got the 1 plus tan of 45 degrees. Now, we know that if A plus B is pi on 4, then 1 plus tan A times 1 plus tan B will equal 2. So we've got 2 times, so this section here will equal 2, and this section here will equal 2. In fact, all of these in between will all equal 2 until we get to the last term, right? Which is 1 plus tan of 22. So in fact, there'll be 22 2's. So we'll go 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 23 times. So that's 2 to the 22. Great. And finally, we've got this last term here, which is 1 plus tan of 45. But tan of 45 we know is 1, right? Tan of pound 4 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And so this is just 2 to the 22 times 2, which is 2 to the 23. And that's parts B and part C.